Hello everyone, good to see you all. Welcome to Excel Visuals with Muthu. In this video, we are going to learn about sorting, that is arranging your data into the proper form. We can have this as a sample. First of all, I'm going to mention 5 important elements. Number 1, what is a sort? See here, this is the data. Fruit sales mentioned in some regions according to the dates have been mentioned here. Number 1, this looks like a normal data, but in case if you want to check in which region how much sales have been happened, so what we will check, we will go for the region. So east, west, north, south, like that we have plenty of datas, right? But I need to pick only the east to be checked. So manually people will do east. Okay, 1 2 3, like that they will manually go and check one by one. Instead, if all the east comes in a place, all the west comes in a place, it will be easy for us to analyze the data, right? That is what sorting, that is what arranging the data. If you take about fruits, also the same. I can able to go with only apple or only mango, or else sales in the sense in the order, highest ascending order, a highest to lowest descending order, like that we can able to check, right? Date also, from the first date to the last date, like that we need to check our data. For that we can able to use this sort option. So for doing a sort, number 2, people will do a lot of mistakes in selection in sense, this is the data. What people will do, if you want to sort by region, they will just select the region column alone. This is a major mistake. I will try to show that. We can skip this. I'm going to this data. Instead of selecting entire data, if you are selecting only the region column, what will happen? I'm going to tell that. Before that, number 2, how to sort. There are some 2 to 3 procedures for normal sorting. Number 1, where we have in the home tab, right hand side, in the sort and filter, we have the direct option sort or custom sort, like that. Sort related options we have. First, second, in the data tab, see here, in the data tab, if I go for the sort option, there are 2 entries here. Directly sort, or else if you click the sort option, it will lead to some dialog box. You can able to sort and choose and select there. Number 3, we have some very difficult option. We people are using our mouse, right? What you have to do is just click on the cell, right click. We have the direct option sort. So there are 3 procedures. Whichever you need, you can able to select. One more option, if you apply a filter also, there is the sort option. Now we know how to sort, but people will do some quick mistakes in sorting. That's what I'm going to check, which is selecting the data for sorting. How to select? What people will do, they will select the entire data, that is acceptable. But some people, if you want to choose only region, what they will do, select the region column alone, and then they will go for the sorting. Any procedure, I can go to data tab sort or home tab sort or right click sort. I will just clicking data tab, this A to Z, I will click here. It will ask something, right? Usually whenever doing our work, if we are not doing it in a proper way, or if anything have to be checked, Excel will show these kind of warning messages. What we will usually do, we will just ignore, or we will directly accept whatever Excel is asking, right? That have to be rectified. Why? Because we people have to read what Excel is showing. At least we have to understand what is the message here. So that is a warning. See here, it is not just a click a go option, just a warning, sort warning. Microsoft Excel found data next to your selection. See here, there are some data, but we have selected only a portion. Since you have not selected, it will not be sorted, which means it will sort only the region column. Other data won't be checked, won't be touched or sorted. So if I am reading this, I can able to understand. But instead of reading, what people will do? Directly they will give a sort. But what is the default suggestion? Expand the selection. It will do it. But in case if people doesn't follow this, they will see the word called as continue. What they will do? They will click on the continue and then they will sort. What has happened? Nothing. East is sorted. We have the data. But I have read the message already, right? What it shows is showing you have not selected the data. It will not be sorted. In this data, we can't able to check it clearly, right? So what I will do, I will try to have the previous data here. This data is colored, right? I can able to select the region column. Then what I will do? Same data tab, sort option, same continue I will give. What has happened? The data has been modified like the same, but with these color modifications, you can able to understand that only this region column alone gets sorted. See here, 5th October, East 884. This is also the same, but here the color is modified. The colors are modified, which means the data gets collapsed. Please don't do this mistake. So whenever doing a sort, please don't do a particular selection. If you want, select entire data. I am selecting entire data. Then I can go for the sort option. We can able to sort. But which column is sorted? That is a problem, right? Everyone, yes or no? That is a problem. So for that, what I will usually prefer, just to click on a single cell in the column which you need to get sorted. See here, I need the region to get sorted. So I'm clicking on any cell. I'm going for a sort. See here, the serial numbers are sorted. The East region is sorted. 5th October 884, 29th June 1004. Like that, we people have the informations. What I'm trying to do, I'm going to do the same. Clicking on a single cell, data tab, sort. We will get that. The entire line items, the first row, second row, third row, it has moved somewhere because it was grapes. So whenever doing a sort, please don't select only a column, only a portion. Either select entire data or click on a single cell and try to sort. The single cell, if you click, what you can do, there are three methods I have told already, right? Which is you can able to go to home tab. I will try to click on fruits column, home tab, sort and filter, just sort, it will sort. Else I can go for data tab, I can go to A to Z, it will be sorted, or Z to A, it will be sorted. At the same time, this is the option called as sort, right? What I can do, this is the default option many people will prefer. Why? Because we can able to choose our entries here itself. I can click on the sort. See here, as I have clicked on a single cell, the fruits column have been taken. Entire data have been selected. So if you want, you can select entire data or single cell. Both are fine. See here in sort what we have. So these are all the options. First column, which column? Sort by, I can choose the fruits. Sort on, there are plenty of elements. I am going to give values. Order, there is Z to A to Z. What you need, we can able to choose here. I will click A to Z, OK. So next method, so home tab, data tab, normal sort or detailed sort, like that we can give. At the same time, I can do a single click, right click, sort A to Z. This will also do the same. Single cell, right click, sort will do the same too. If you want, I can go to the sales. this is not in an order. So I will go here, right click, sort, small to large, anything will work. But many people will do a mistake. There is a data we have sorted and identified, but now I need my original data back. Before sorting, how was my original data? I need that. For that, what you can do, after doing any sorting and checking, at last click on the serial number and do a last sorting, so your original data whatever you have will be maintained. So for sorting, so please try to follow these procedures. First, select entire data, go to the sort, or else click on a single cell. You can use any options, either right click or home tab or data tab, like that we can use a lot. So for sorting, don't do these mistakes. Try to prefer a proper sorting and then try to get the data in a proper way. That's it. Thank you all. We can see in the next video.